Abeer Rao. Welcome back to my channel. We are Codemy, and today I'll be sharing with you a little login system that I've built using Python and the tkinter library. PIL is for images below. So let's get started. Just making a new tkinter object, tk object. And then we're defining a little class called login. This is the init function. Username and passwords, these are the usernames and passwords that this accepts. And if I sound a little bit tired, that's because I just attended an MUN, and the video for it is out right now. You can go to my book review channel and watch it, Abeer's book reviews. I'll leave a link in the description and somewhere around right now the card which pop up. Anyways, the title root.system, then we have the size, the images, different images. Let me just show you. This is background.jpg, this is face.png, log.png, user.png, and we are just creating two string variables that will take in username and password. We're just placing them. Login, we're just getting the value, and if any of them is null, then it's prints out error, all fields are required. And if either one of them is incorrect username or password, then otherwise it gets successful. Welcome back. Oops. And then it displays the name and just the main loop. So let's try it out. With the password is Jeff in J42. Let me just try it out with that one. Log into your account using Jeff, password J42. Yep, that is J42. Login. Welcome back, Jeff. If I leave this field blank, all fields are required, it's an error type. And if I do Midas, it says incorrect username or password, please try again. And let's try the other one, Abeer Rao, and the value for that was Abeer 12, Abeer 12. Click on login. Welcome back, Abeer Rao. So hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, and if you are new to the channel, haven't already done so, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe to the channel to keep receiving coding videos like this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye.